So let's hear this guy.
Explain to you guys. So I'm looking at this setup here on gold. I don't know why it's blurry. Okay, so basically I started from the 15 minutes time frame. I had initially seen this ABC structure here, and then we broke the B line.
Hey, sorry guys. Hey, sorry guys. I don't know what his question is. I don't know if he has a question or he's just trying to. Yeah, he said at Akindamola, please, is this correct? Yeah, you're actually following a storyline, so it makes a lot of sense. So, and you know what storyline means? Storyline is just, let me give you guys a short breakdown on what the storyline means. Somebody controlling my mouse on my behalf. I'm coming, guys. Now. We are not to enjoy this. It's working here. Why is now there? God, I beg you. Let me reload it, guys. What's all this rubbish now? I'm coming, guys. Okay. Okay, nice. So now, so what the storyline simply means is so storyline simply means order flow or money transfer. Like I explained to you guys yesterday. Let's say you're having a bearish order flow like this, and you anticipated that this is an inducement leg, then the market came, did a break and retest right here, then sell off. So a storyline is, let's say there's a supply here. A market mitigated this guy.
Boss, we can't see your screen, sir.
Ah, I like that.
We are only seeing camera, simple stuff.
Oh, sorry. You see it now. What about now?
Still the same. Yeah, we can see it now. Better now, yes, sir.
So I said, let's assume the market took out this high, this inducement. Then I said, storyline is simply an order flow. So you just have to interpret it to your own understanding. So which means, let's say you are in a bearish market environment right now. So you know that the storyline the market has to be telling you has to be to the bearish side. Anything to the bullish side, you are not interested, but you will pay attention to it. Which means anything to the bullish side, like this, will just be a trade zone. So which means if this actually is a supply zone, so now I transfer money to this guy and it broke structure, then we have an inducement right here. So which means this is to the bullish side there. So if the market mitigated this one directly, you can say you want to buy. But let's not say the market now does this now. You know that your storyline is telling you that this is where you want to sell from. That is what your storyline is telling you. So if market gets here, anything to the bullish side, you are going to ignore it or consider it as a trade zone. So which means you would anticipate that this is a liquidity, the market take care of this liquidity. If you get to this guy, you can anticipate a new pullback, then the market's filling it off, then you have another new storyline. So the storyline is just how I am looking to sell, fine. But is what the price action telling me or telling me a story that I should sell? You can't be You can't be looking at a sell bias in your mind. There's something I want you guys to know. It is what you are expecting. That is what you would find. It is what you are expecting. That is what you would find. So if you're on the chart and you are expecting to buy, you will not be seeing sell setup. You will only be seeing buy setup. Your eyes is going to be blank to anything that is pertaining sell. So which is, you have to be very, very careful with the way you view price. You should always have a flexible mindset when it comes to chart. You must have a flexible. So when I say flexible, it simply means you must have this mindset of anything can happen. So which means you should be able to be looking at the buy scenarios and the sell scenarios. But once you are able to see the order flow, which is most likely to be clear to you in 15 minutes time frame as an intraday trader. I like 15 minutes time frame structure a lot as an intraday trader because major moves happen there intraday. Okay, so once you get your move, you just have to follow the order flow along that line. Okay, so that is that about that particular question. So I think the next question is, he said, I'm talking about top-down analysis. Top-down analysis, let me give you guys a simple trick when it comes to top-down. I've been thinking of, I remember the day I was having this class, I was thinking of a way to simplify it for you guys. So I now remember the 3 money transfer rule, MT rule. It is not complex, so not like I just try to give it a name that will be easy for you guys to understand. What is the 3 money transfer rule? It means the last 2 minutes. No, sorry, it's not even 3 safe. You can say 3, you can say 2 safe. I just want you to get the logic why I'm saying this. Let's say the last 2 money transfer is the structure that you should be interested in. What does that mean? Let's say the market is like this. I want you to get me right though. Let's say the market is coming like this now. All of a sudden you have this. So now, the question now is, we have this bias, sell bias here. We have buy bias here. But the next question that you are supposed to do as a trader is, what is the present price action order flow? The present price action order flow is this one. Because the market has been giving you a very clean order flow to the bullish side. And this is the first transfer, this mitigation right here. It broke structure, it gives you the second one. So which means I'll be interested in buying this trade right here than selling right here at first. Because this is the present price action. So to understand order flow in the simplest form, let me now go to the chart. The last two price action, the structure that last two price action is following, that is where you should focus on. Forget about trying to analyze the whole top-down analysis. I've been thinking of a way to simplify this thing for you, but once I get to the chart, I will explain properly. The last two present price action is what you should focus on. Ignore the rest. I'm trying to open my trading view. Just chill. So which means, fuck what is happening in Kinecon, you don't care. It is that present price action that you care about. Not like you would turn a blind eye to the previous price actions. No, but you have to pay more attention to the present one. Because a lot of you have problem with trying to do your top down from higher time frame to lower time frame. But if I teach you this simple, if I explain this thing properly, I'll be able to pass the information well. So I'm trying to open my trading view now. I'm coming. Let it load. Let it load up. Which type of trading view is this like this? Yeah, doji is the same as indecision candle now. Why is this trading view? I want to quit it and reopen it. And which type of thing is this today? But this trading view is not trying to open now. I don't know what I will do. I want to use a chart example to explain it properly. Oh my God. I'm even quitting it, force quit it and everything. It's not still working. I will have to be, it will be asking me to sign in, Jerry. Yeah, I'm assuming. Well, let me go to the next question now. First. I'm trying to quit it. You guys can see. I'm trying to quit it, but it's not quitting. Now it's Abi. I don't understand this rubbish. So let me
Boss, what if you use trading view web?
Say.
Okay, you can't do auto signing. Okay. Yes.
Nothing is stressful, like. Let's go to the next question. Okay.
Okay.
This one said, the topic, break of structure, inducement, high lows, change of character, pullback, order block. I have explained all these things. I don't know what your question is. When looking for reversal, which side of the structure is more important? The left side or the right side? Ṣé price action tó máa ń wà ní right ni àbí kí lẹ́yìn ń béèrè báyìí? Is there anything like valid break of structure? Go back and watch all this video again, I beg. You guys, because I asked you guys to ask questions, does it mean you should be asking all these questions? Is there anything like valid break of structure, valid inducement? Have I not talked about all these things already? I can even block you for asking these questions. Are you even watching the video at all? Is anything like valid break of structure, valid inducement, something I've talked about over and over again? Most of all this answer is already in the video. Valid break of structure, valid inducement, valid high, valid low, change of character. All these things, I've not talked about it yet. Can I get the... So they don't have question. Let's go to the next person. When to Kama, I would love you to explain when to break even. When to break even is not difficult now. Let's say you are you can break even in a lot of ways. So let's say you are following a particular bias now. I'm coming now. Inducement, that the market does this. And you are willing to sell from here now. Remember, market cannot just fly here and start selling. It will come as a structure move. So once it gets here, it's coming as a bullish structure, right? So if you enter your trade from here, you should, if this breaks this, don't break even yet, because this is not yet a protected high. Because it only broke one structure. Market can still do this and still sell. So what you should do in this scenario is you have to remember the rule of protected highs and lows.